So this plug here is just a block-off plug on an NA engine. What you need is to take the fitting off the turbo engine and just put it here, and that'll be your turbo oil drain. So you can take this off with just like a 1/2 inch breaker bar or a rattle gun. There you go, it's just a blocked off plug. Unscrew the one on the turbo block and just screw it in here, and you'll have your turbo drain, oil drain. So you won't need to you won't need to do any drilling and tapping like you usually do on NA engines. Also, so this is the oil feed. So you can just unscrew this and use the stock oil feed line from a turbo engine. If you want, I have a braided line, so I'm just going to screw that onto here, plug that into the turbo. This is the coolant feed for the turbo. This is the fitting you need. This is the fitting that came out of here, out of a turbo engine. You just take this. I think you got to put thread locker on it. Like thread tape, not Loctite, just thread tape. And because I'm not sure if you actually do, but the old one, this one had some on it when I took it off, so I'm going to put some on it. And then you just screw it in here. And then your turbo oil drain, which is here, we'll just get a hose, go straight from there to there. Okay, so I put the engine in and it's all wired up, and we're gonna see if it will start. Alright.